Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to arrange my hospital bag together. You guys can see that it's upside down. Stay tuned and we will get everything sorted. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm packing in my hospital bag. I'm starting with my own stuff first. So I got this soap piece from Shein. This is what I'll be wearing home because it's going to be cold and it's during winter, so I need to feel warm. So I got this with this trouser from Shein. Yeah, so this is my going home. This is going to be my going home outfit. This is going to be my going home outfit. Then I also got these pajamas. Set from Shein in XL. Depending on time, I don't know what time baby is going to come, if it's be in the morning, if it's be in the afternoon or night. I just want to be prepared basically. Then I also got what's it called, robe from Shein as well. I got this robe from Shein. You're not doing me like I don't know how to fold again. I got this robe from Shein. Then I'll be taking this mom cozy bra with me. So I took two actually because I know I might not need more than just one, but I just took two. So I got this in, I think in XL or large, I can't remember. So I got two of these actually, one black and one nude. Then I've had this since but I've not used it before. I'll just put that on my hair. And I also got non-slip socks and like a regular winter sock because it's going to be winter season and I just want to be prepared basically. I don't want to be caught unawares. I just want to prepare because I know that I'm gonna be cold. So yeah, then I also got this hair bonnet. I got this hair bonnet from Shein. This cooling pad, I don't know how it works. Hopefully they will teach me what to do with it at the hospital. Then I got Frida Mom Perry bottle. I think they will actually provide a Perry bottle. So this Perry bottle, I got that from Frida Mom. Yeah. And then I also got healing foam, prenatal healing foam, and nipple cream rather. I'm not sure if I'll use it, but I'm just taking them. I like to be in bed. Then I also got this nursing pad from Amazon, and I got this from Shein. So it has like toothbrush holder, paste and all that. So I would buy the remaining stuff and put them there. And this is my pad. I would have to pack it in another bag. I got this packing bag from Shein as well, and I have this pad pants or maternity pants, something like that. I showed that in my unboxing video, so if you have not seen that, go and watch. So this would be all for me. Actually, this will be all for me. So I'm just going to go now to show you guys what the baby will be wearing. So this is the diaper in the Huggies package I showed you guys in my previous video. So I think I'm just going with like 8 or 10 because they will still like provide some in the hospital as well, but I just want to be prepared. Then for baby's clothes, I'm going to take this with me because it's like during winter, so the baby can wear this in the hospital. It also has like toe cover, and also I'm going to take this with me. And so for the going home outfit, we'll be taking this onesie, trousers, this cap, socks and mittens. So this is going to be for the going home outfit. Ski. So it depends if we're going to be like sleeping overnight. I took this as well for the baby with this cap and mitten. So I'm just taking 3 outfits actually. Then I took this onesie as well, these socks, leggings and mittens and cap. Because why not? Why not? And I'm taking this track cap for the baby is born and she's still wrapped, and I'm taking 2. I might not use it, I'm just taking it anyway. Then for the going home as well, after I've worn the going home outfit for her. I might be wearing this on it. Depends on how cold the weather is that day. So just to be on the safe side, better to overdress than underdress. Then for this, I'll just be putting this on. I'll be putting this on the car seat. Then when we get into the car, I'll remove that. Here's the pamper. I'm just going to zip all this now. So I'm also going with this hand sanitizer, Vaseline, Huggies wipes of course, baby oil, and this Aqua 4 baby wash and shampoo. Then I'll still need to wash or sanitize the pacifier and be going with one bottle. So I'll add that to the list. Then I'm also going with my nursing pillow for breastfeeding. So this will be all. Going in with my own neck pillow as well. I think I should add it. So basically, this would be all I'm going in with, like the major stuffs I'm going in to the hospital with. Thank you so much for watching this video till this time. Until I see you in my next one, stay cool. Yeah, come and do Hi, good morning.
I can help you over here.
Okay.
Victoria, right?
Yes, Sam.
Can I see the front of your health card? No COVID symptoms today?
No.
You can take a seat, okay?
Thank you. Come out in Jesus' name.
Baby, we are ready for you. We are ready for you, baby.
Oh, I want to use the sun.
Belle, daughter of the sun. How's it going? Please can already.
Yes, we're ready. We're ready. Ready for her. Ready to try. The next time I'll see you with baby A. The next time.
From my tantalizing kitchen.
Rice and beans with chicken, with grilled chicken. Okay.